Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix a DeepSeek verification code not receiving, and it's really easy and simple. One way is to of course check your spam or junk folder, because sometimes email providers automatically filter DeepSeek verification emails into the spam or promotional folder, so go ahead and check if it's right here. Next, what you can do is of course make sure you have verified your contact information, because before you try anything else, double check that you have actually entered the correct email address or phone numbers, right? Many verification issues actually occur due to small typos, so make sure everything is correct. Make sure you've entered .com instead of .con. Make sure you're not missing a digit in your phone number, and then you should be fine. Another thing, guys, you can make sure you do is resend the verification code, because if your verification code is not received, wait at least 2 minutes before you request it again. And now some systems, impose a cooldown period between requests. So just wait for those 2 minutes and then request again. What you can next do is fix your email delivery issues. Maybe you have email filtering or network settings that are blocking these emails. Just try using a different email provider, for example, Gmail, Outlook, because some custom domain emails have the stricter filtering policies. Okay, you can also change your DNS settings to improve your email routing. You can switch to a public DNS service like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Sometimes this can resolve email delivery problems. What you can also do, guys, is make sure you resolve your SMS verification issues. So disable your VPN or proxy services from your settings. Okay, make sure that is toggled off. What you can also do is switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, since some networks, especially corporate or public ones, block automated messages. And then you can go ahead and restart your phone to refresh your network settings. Okay. What you can also do on your PC browser is to click on those three dots at the top right, go to more tools, and then clear your browsing data. So what we'll be doing is clearing the browsing cache and cookies. That should help fix the issue. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.